YouTubers, this is Mr. Kevin Hurd, and here is an unboxing video of a Ford Onto Dawn Halo Mega Bloks 2877 piece kit. It's going to be a little different from my usual reviews. I don't usually do unboxings, but you know, this is an awesome, big, huge box. There's going to be cool stuff in there, so let's get to it. It's 26 inches wide, about 16 inches tall, about 7-8 inches deep. It's almost 12 pounds of blocks. That's a lot of blocks. But got my trusty knife right here. I've already made some cuts on it. I'll show you. There's 2 tape marks spots right there. You cut those, and that's basically ready to open it. What you do is you grab these tabs, and there we go. So spin her around. Nice artwork there. It's kind of like engine pieces or something. Oh, gotta get these tabs right here. And there we go. That's pretty cool. Nice big booklet right there. You got the artwork lines inside of the box. And we'll pull this out. Oh, look at that. Nice artwork. If it wasn't a book, that'd be really nice to hang on the wall right there. Maybe frame the book, huh? Thumb through the instructions real fast. It's a novel. Looks like it's your standard instructions. Pages and pages and pages. Oh, look at that. Sticker sheet. Oh, a big Ford Onto Dawn intro. That's pretty cool. Ooh. That's really nice. Again, this would be pretty cool to hang up on your wall. Too bad you'd need to ruin the book and make a nice poster. We'll go. Let's see, there's finish shots back here or something. All the blocks. Well, that's a pretty thick book there. Look at that. Okay, and let's see what's underneath the black. Oh, more boxes. How about that? And I got, looks like 4 boxes inside the bigger box. Oh, hey, look at that. That one piece they always have in the set. It's always loose. And this has the number B17102ML. That's cool. So let's get these smaller boxes out of here. All 4 of them. Yeah. It's pretty cool. And Did I say it was almost 12 pounds of blocks? A lot of blocks. You know, once you're done building this thing, it's not going to fit in that box, but that box is going to be awesome to store other finished Mega Block sets. So, let's crack open some of these smaller boxes. Now they have a tab that says rip right there, and one right here, one other side. But I'm going to go around that. I'm going to use my trusty knife. Usually, I like to be able to keep my boxes as pristine as possible, especially when you're paying $250 a set. So there we go. And box number 1 is tons of parts. More parts. And, ooh, what is this? Oh, it's like a cheat sheet for your parts. Nothing on the back. Would have been cool if it was like a panel, so you put, guessing there's one of these in each one of these boxes. Would be cool if you could put it together and make a picture, but oh well, next time. And that's basically it. Box number 2. Here's our parts. Don't see any minifigures yet. We got our cheat sheet under there. Let's get this one out of the way. Let's get to those minifigures. Can't wait to see Cortana and Master Chief. Oh. Again, you're supposed to just rip these off, but I like to cut into them just to save them a little bit better. Lots of panels in this one. And our cheat sheet. That looks like to be one of the most of the paneling, outside paneling of the ship. So that's pretty cool. And our last box. If you were to throw these boxes away, you know, you could cut these up and use these symbols and stuff. So, I mean, never just throw your boxes away. There's always ways to reuse really cool artwork. Go. More bags. Oh, look at that. Now, forward onto Dawn. We see that? Forward onto Dawn. Printed on those. That's pretty cool. Name tags. And I would like to apologize for the technical difficulties that interrupted our little video of the unboxing of the ship I am currently on. So I'm sorry about that. Still haven't figured out quite what's happening here. We're taking a look around. Don't know yet. So if you could hold on, maybe we could find out. Maybe. Oh, excuse me, sir. Sir, there seems to be a problem, or at least we've found the problem. We think we have some aliens on board. Really? Isn't this forward onto Dawn Halo 4? Why are we even on this ship? That's true, sir. I feel like I don't know. I might be in. I think we were both in danger. I mean, really, I looked at the Halo 4 advertising, and I can't recall anybody else except for Master Chief and Cortana being on the Forward Onto Dawn. At least in the ending of Halo 3. So, what? Oh, no, what? Okay, so we just saw the captain, we saw the crewman and the elite, and don't know why they're in the Forward Onto Dawn set. But that leaves us room now, or time, for the two most important individuals, I think, in the Halo universe. The saviors of the universe, I should say. The #1 armored kick-butt soldier, Master Chief. Look at that. And this is not Master Chief, if you know what I mean. You Halo Mega Bloks fans. This is Master Chief. And I think it's very worthy of being Master Chief. Look at this nice, really nice, metallic green armor. Let's focus. Focus. Look at that. That's just really nice. Not Master Chief. We got actual Master Chief. Awesome Master Chief. Very cool. And of course, along with Master Chief, what's Master Chief without the lovely AI code that we know is voiced by Jen Taylor? Cortana. Light up Cortana in her base. And zoom. There we go. So, lovely. You just give her a little press there, and she lights up. Does a little pulsating. Really cool. Really cool. Really worthy of these sets. It just makes it, I mean, it's like the icing on top. Like 2,877 pieces isn't large enough. We actually get Master Chief and a Cortana that lights up. Well, hello. Finally decided to wake up there, huh? Yeah. Our ship is going down, and there's some new enemies, and it looks like we might need to save the universe again. Really? Really? I mean, I was sleeping, and now I wake up for this stuff. Really? Okay. So, that's my review, or not review, I should say, my box opening for the Forward Onto Dawn set. Currently available at Toys R Us's across the nation and at Toys R Us online. Right around $250 if you catch it on sale or they're marked down. If you catch it this week and you buy 2 of them, you can get 1 at 40% off, so that knocks it down to about $200 a piece. So, you know, $400, 5,000 plus blocks, not a bad deal. It's awesome. It's huge. I mean, if you're a Mega Bloks fan, if you're a Halo fan, you got to have one of these. There's no way to get around it. I mean, it's awesome. So, hopefully you run out and go buy one, or you move it to the top of your Christmas list, and come December 25th, it's under that tree. So, catch you later. Enjoy Halo 4. Enjoy Mega Bloks. Have fun.